Welcome to the elevator near South Fifth Avenue of Polaris Fashion Place in Columbus, Ohio. This one is also a Schindler MT. Here it is. You well? There we go. There we go. Here are UL. LL. Door close button does not work on Schindler. Skated cab view. Very nice cab. And here we are at LL. Go back up to UL. Here's the phone. Can't really get that open. There we go. Here we are at UL. Back down to LL. There we go. Doors are going to take a while to close again. There we go. £3,500 capacity. That's your close. And that's it.